Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is safe and fine. I think you have understood from the slide that why I am here. So I am here to discuss the FR preparation plan for the upcoming exam, that is November 2020. But this time I will not give only preparation plan. This time I'll be with you. Means you will be doing entire FR preparation under my guidance. And this will not be only open for my student, this will be open for each and every student who want to join preparation plan with me. Sir, why you are doing so? I think this time the entire India, not only entire India, the entire world is under pandemic situation and everyone is under some stress. I want to remove the stress from the mind of student who is going to appear the upcoming exam. Means if my effort will give some positive note to the student, it will give a lot of happiness to me. For that happiness, I am doing this. So are you ready? Are you ready for the preparation plan under my guidance? So what I am going to give. But before discussing the preparation plan, I want commitment from your side. Not only your commitment, I will also give some my commitment to you all. Your commitment, my commitment, there will be some matching concept, and of course the both commitment will give some benefit to you. Are you ready for that? Yes sir. Now as per your commitment is concerned, I want your 15 days for the FR preparation. Sir, 15 days only for FR, it is not possible, but in that 15 days I want only your 100 hours. So already we have completed our FR preparation for the upcoming exam. Nothing to worry. This video is going to help you even though you have done FR preparation. So please watch till end. I am going to give you many strategy for the FR preparation. Are you getting what I am saying? So how many days I want? I want 15 days. In that 15 days, I want your 100 hours. Means each day I want 6 to 7 hours from you. So if you have not completed, if you have not started your FR preparation, then you need to do whatever I am saying, and it is my 100% guarantee that this is going to help you, and you will get a very good marks in FR exam. So 15 days, of which 15 days I want you to start FR preparation from 1st September to 15th September. In that 15 days, I will give you the guidance which chapter need to be prepared first, which chapter need to be done at which point of time. So your commitment is what? 15 days, 100 hours. Date will be from 1st September to 15th September. Is it okay? Now, as per my commitment is concerned, so my commitment to you that in this 15 days, I will conduct 8 tests chapter wise and one grand test without any charges. Means this will be open for everyone can write the test after preparation, and I will plan that test for you. So how many tests I am going to conduct in this 15 days? That is 8 tests chapter wise and one grand test which will help you for final exam. So which test will be conducted when? For that already I have prepared one schedule for you. This schedule will be given as a link in the description that you can download from there. But I will just give a example ki what type of test and which chapter will be covered and what you need to do. That example I'll give. So for example, test 1 will be taken on 2nd September. Means 1st September and 2nd September you will prepare for test number 1. Under test number 1, I will ask question from which chapter? Ind AS 37. You can see Ind AS 37, Ind AS 10, Ind AS 2, Ind AS 16, Ind AS 38, Ind AS 40, Ind AS 23 and Ind AS 20. Means these chapters you need to read in the 1st September and 2nd September. So 2nd September after preparation you can write down the test. And you can see I have also allotted number of hours required for that chapter. In days 37 only 2 hours is required. In days 10 only 1 hour is required for the preparation. That also I have planned for you. Understood? What will be weightage? Means in exam the weightage from test number 1 from exam point of view, means from ICI point of view, it will be 10 to 12 marks. So it is important from examination point of view. Correct? Similarly, if you see that Test number 3 will be conducted on 6th September. Means 5th September and 6th September after test number 2 you will prepare for test number 3, and test number 3 will be for Ind AS 115 and Ind AS 116. Ind AS 115 you will be requiring how many hours? 6 hours, and Ind AS 116 6 hours. Means 12 hour will be required, and that preparation you will do on which date? Means 5th September and 6th September. I want 12 hours which you will prepare for Ind AS 115 and Ind AS 116, and so on. So this will be the schedule, and this schedule need to be planned. Means you need to do preparation as per this test schedule only. And at the end, once the test 8 is conducted, you can see test number 8 is on 15th September, means 14th September, 15th September, you need to prepare for test number 8. And in that very small chapter which student normally ignore. Normally student ignore, but the weightage from this chapter will be 15 to 20 marks. Last exam and last to last means last two exam 15 marks question was asked from Ind AS 1. Normally student usko bhul jate hain. Are you able to understand? You can see I have given Ind AS 1 2 hours, I have given schedule 3 requirement 2 1 hours, Ind AS 7 1 hours, and total number for test number 8 is also 12 hours. It make a sense? Means normally student ignore this type of chapters. So you need to follow this test schedule as I have stated यहाँ पर. Understood? Yes sir. Then on 16th September a grand test will be conducted for you all, covering entire syllabus. So this will be gift to you all from my point of view, and 16th September is my birthday, so I will of course celebrate my birthday with all of you on that day. So are you ready for this test? So this I will give in the description a link, you can download from there. I think you have understood. So my commitment that I will conduct test for you. Sir, test will be conducted. Are you going to do analysis for that? Of course, the assessment of that, the assessment of solution is not possible from my point of view, because many of you are going to write down the test. It will be not possible for me to analyze all the test paper, but for you I have given some gift. एक बार चेक करते हैं what are the gift which will be from my side. To gift from my side, correct? First gift, there will be one Telegram doubts group only dedicated for November 2020 student. Means it will be only for November 2020 student. This will be a new group open from my side, for which the link will be given in the description. You can join it. Means you can ask any doubt, and the first preference will be given in this 15 days. This 15 days first preference will be given to your doubt. Means I will try to solve each and every doubt which will be asked from you. So Telegram group only dedicated to November 2020 student, not only for my student, for each and every student who want to join it. The link will be given in the description. You can join it right now. Okay, happy? This is gift number 1. Gift number 2, I will upload all the fast track revision video in YouTube. You can revise from that. I'm going to upload fast track revision video in the YouTube. For that you need to subscribe my channel. YouTube channel CA Chiranjeev Jain. So I'm going to upload. Means if suppose you want to listen this video before revision, you can listen it. Are you getting what I am saying? The fast track revision video will be uploaded in the YouTube. This is second gift from my side. I hope, of course, this is going to benefit you from all point of view, correct? The third gift, I will come live for doubt session. Live YouTube doubt session from my side in this 15 days, but every alternate day. Means when you write first test on 2nd September, to on 2nd September before writing the exam, I will come live in front of you. The timing will be from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. I'll be with you. You can ask me each and every doubt before writing down the exam, before writing down the test paper. So in this 15 days, I'll be coming live for solving all your doubt, and the doubt need to be asked for the chapters which has been allotted for that test. What you need to do, you need to just send me all the doubt which is coming in your mind in the Telegram group, so that I will be prepared for that doubt and I will come live and you can watch that video live with me. Understood? Happy? Yes sir, we are happy. Correct? Then fourth gift is what I will upload the updated summary book with Ind AS 116 also. Updated summary book I'm going to upload. That also you can download, and with that updated question bank will consist of entire ICI study material, RTP, MTP and past exam question यहीं से आने वाला है. Correct? तो updated summary book, updated question bank for November 2020 exam I am going to upload. With this, I am also going to release the expected question for November 2020 attempt. बहुत डिमांड आ रहा है, correct? But I will upload expected question not in this 15 days. After 15 days, I will upload all the expected question. What will happen if I will upload expected question? Then you read only that. So I am not going to do that. I will give you the एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माई साइड फॉर नवंबर 2020 अटेम्प्ट, वो भी मिलने वाला है आपको. करेक्ट? तो वेट फॉर दैट. तो वंस यू राइट द ग्रैंड मॉक टेस्ट, आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू द एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन फॉर नवंबर 2020 attempt. I think this entire information is giving some positive sense in your mind. Correct? So are you happy with this? Are you happy with this? Are you ready? Yes, sir. So now your preparation under my guidance, of course, we are going to win. Of course, we are going to be success in this exam. Correct? Understood? Please join the Telegram group and of course subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefited with this video. Correct? Please share to all the students who are going to attempt for November 2020 exam, because everyone will be benefited from this video. My best wishes is with you. My best wishes is with you. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Bye bye.